Babe, drive again, please. I'll show you, Kurt. You'll feel the rods actually like lock in. You'll feel them, like, so you twist it and they'll lock.
Oh, okay.
So you always want them locked. If it's like one of these ones, you want to put these guys. So, and these.
Okay.
This is because these are very expensive. So, they have safety clips. Yeah. Stay in the middle, boss.
The middle.
Go left. Yeah, it goes left. Just follow the trees, but don't give up. All right, ready? Here we go.
All right.
Not bad, huh?
Dude, that camera's rock solid. That's gonna be awesome.
What?
The camera's rock solid. I said that's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be a beautiful day.
Oh yeah.
What a fucking lake. Look at the water, it's so clear. Looks like it's shallow.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's shallow, man.
It just looks shallow, it's not.
Shit.
And now we have autopilot.
I hit it from the back, I told her move her hands.
Hey, look at
I'm a third man, we're a we gon' top, I'm with that bitch, don't look back. That's my bitch. Hey, that's my bitch. Hey, with all that fake shit. Hey, ain't the one to play with. Hey, put off that tax, Mr. Get off on your knees. If you hate disrespect, you better follow up with hands. To the neck, but now trophied up on scene. Like, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I'm on, you wouldn't understand.
Woo! Shit. That's awesome.
Oh, man.
Woo! Shit. Really? That'd be awesome.
No, dude, you get drenched.
That's all right.
But my buddy had a jacket on that was waterproof, and he was asleep in the beanbag
Really?
the whole way home.
You are connected to Starlink.
What?
It just said you've now connected to Starlink.
Did it?
Mine works really good.
Oh, mine did too.
Yeah.
Sweet.
All right. What you need? What you need?
I Okay, so those silver ones are hooked together with the safety line so they don't fall.
Okay. You want to leave? Oh, okay, I see. Never mind. Do you want to leave a safety line on one?
Yeah, you're gonna leave it on the bigger one.
Okay.
Alright, he's there. This guy we're gonna put out here. Gonna take this line, clip it into there. Now,
Oh, that's what that's for. I got you.
out we go. Oh, another grass. Oh, there's a lot of shit.
There's a ton out here right now.
Keep an eye on it, ladies. Yeah, we're good.
Yep. Baby, whoa.
Gotta pray. Advertisement modes, obviously. The opening of the lobster season, you go along this right here, you're fucking killing it.
Yeah. I thought you said you can't go in here by the cruise ship.
No, you can't. It's like, we can go in here because it's the inlet, but once it'll go to the right here, see? You
Yeah.
can't go in there.
Up in there.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
The cruise ships are about to leave though.
That's awesome.
Smokestacks are out. That's a good restaurant too.
Nice one. You can fly through here like this?
Yeah.
They don't care about the wake? Well, I mean, up till right here, but.
It's Miami, bro. Remember I was telling you about the drink? Bro, not only do you have great timing, you got great taste in color. Thank you. Have a good one, guys. See ya. Hey, Curry, I'm gonna put the nose in first.
All right.
Oh, that dumpy boat. The scout.
The Scout. I wish I could have come down when y'all had that.
It was a fucking nightmare.
Hey, babe, does it give you PTSD?
I liked it when it worked.
Does it not work real
I liked
good?
it for the one time it worked.
Where's your line at?
One's in, yeah, and then there's another one. They're in the right side.
Well, if I can get your cleat up. Need to grease them. You want me to get this one right here and get one off the back? Yeah. Get this one?
Because of the current, I actually need to get one off the back first.
Sorry, hop off, grab that, take it to the back.
What is it? Take this one to the back?
Well, I can't get in there.
Here, go ahead.
What's up, man?
Where do you have a cleat over here? Want it off that one?
Yeah, that's fine. There's one in the back.
Is there one in the back?
There you go. Perfect.
Here, what side do you want here?
Doesn't matter.
Here, let me put this on here.
Yeah, you can just cleat it off on that as tight as it goes.
On this one?
Look at him go. What a pimp. What a guy.
Pull into it if you want. No, I was just say pull into it. Like go forward a little bit. Take some tension on it.
Let's get some food. Capitan is hungry, man.
Trying to get a picture? Awesome. Really? On the what?
Horizon.
Horizon?
He might have come out of Miami River. So in between those buildings, you'll see when he passes.
Yeah.
It's Miami River, and they actually take boats like this with tugs up that river and dock them at other
So, before I forget, either you know what the pilot boat does, right?
Yeah. Well, dude, it's Sunday.
They
He's not working today.
He probably is. They work 7 days a week.
Where am I going?
Left. So you see that boat, the Seafair?
Yeah.
You know what that does?
Huh.
It's a boat built for one specific purpose. You live in Miami, you want to buy $1 million watch, right?
Yeah.
But you don't want 1.5% in taxes on $1 million watch.
Yeah.
So what you do is you pay $4 grand to the boat, or more likely the jewelers associated with the company that owns the boat.
Right.
They take that boat with just you and whoever you want, 12 miles offshore to international waters, sell you the watch, and drive back right there. So you don't have to pay taxes.
That's awesome.
That's literally the only. That's why there's no windows in it, because inside it's just a lounge.
That's the way to do it right there.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Hey, wait with this loose. Yeah. That's Miami River. You go up that, there's a bunch of restaurants. It goes almost all the way to the airport.
Really?
Yeah. Very busy in there. Kirk, you see that? See that tower? This one right here, all the way to the left. It looks kind of like an oval. I think the minimum effect right there. You're in,
Yeah.
you're in negative degrees all the time.
Bring it down here. We're gonna be all day, and I know it's gonna get dark. It gets cold,
Yeah.
and I just.
I only had shade back there for a little bit, so it's like
Pelican. What's up, my daughter? I love pelicans. It's so dirty looking.
It's gonna hit that boat.
Fucking pelicans, dude.
Dave, what kind of plane is that?
Where? Oh, that's a
C-130.
C5. No, it's a
Oh, it's a
C5.
C5?
No, not a C5.
Not a C-130.
C-17.
I don't know what that means.
It's a military transport jet. All right, right side, please, babe. Oh, what the hell was that? That was a big
Shake.
tarpon right there.
I said gay.
Oh, by
Gay.
the way, there's a resident crocodile right here.
Really?
Yeah, so you might see
Probably
him.
all gay on the plane too.
Yeah, little crocodile.
Where is he?
You might see him. 'Cause he's
I'm
fillet
gonna
tables,
record
he just
putting
sits
this on the
over there and
boat.
gets free meals.
I'm gonna record putting this on the boat.
Putting this on the boat.
The trailer.
They're dumb. Big Pelly. Is the guy there now? Any truck in the water? Not yet. Everyone's pretty.
Why don't you put yours in the water? Make the video.
Oh, that would be stressful.
Which one you want?
Wrap around this one.
That one?
Damn, look at him go.
Actually, I went the wrong way.
No, you can just pull it tight, dude. You don't even need to attach it anywhere else. Just pull it tight and it'll keep the boat right there. All right, guys. While I go get the trailer, please just put the rods down in the boat on top of the whatchamacallits. These guys. Beanbags.